And other vaccine advisors are expected to meet tomorrow to discuss the safety of both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. Both have been submitted to the FDA for emergency use authorization. Part of that discussion will include the side effects of each vaccine. Here's medical reporter Liz Bonus with the list.
Hey there, everybody. The latest results from both Pfizer and Moderna show up to 95% effectiveness when it comes to actually preventing this virus. And while new guidance was issued today that those who suffer severe allergic reactions may do better to delay getting the Pfizer vaccine, the side effect profile known so far for both of these is much like the flu vaccine, according to those conducting these trials.
I've had 2 injections.
Any weird side effects?
No side effects whatsoever.
Jody Huss doesn't know if she got the placebo or the actual vaccine, but along with many others, she's been a participant in an mRNA vaccine trial where researchers have been tracking side effects.
And then you do the diary. You have to do a diary every day for like a week after you get the vaccination, where you take your temperature, just answer some questions like how you're feeling, are you having any side effects from the vaccination.
Both Pfizer and Moderna are this same type of mRNA vaccine. They do not use a live virus, but rather a fragment of the viral sequence to help your body fight back if exposed to the coronavirus. The main side effects reported for the Moderna vaccine include injection site pain, fatigue, muscle aches, joint pain, and headache. For Pfizer, it's fatigue, injection site pain, and headache. These tend to occur within 24 to 48 hours and then disappear, according to both companies. They also say the vaccines were overall well tolerated and no serious adverse events were reported.
We know some patients get feverishness, some people get fatigue, some people get muscle aches. That's what we expect. And that just means your immune system is responding appropriately to the vaccine.
Now, I did read that when they looked at some of the people who had side effects in these early trials, some of those were pretty severe, like fevers as high as 104 degrees. Is that also common with the flu vaccine? Did those linger? What should we know about the side effects?
Yeah, so those high fevers are rare with COVID vaccine or with flu vaccine. It occurred in less than 2% of people. And we do see some people that get pretty high fevers sometimes from the flu vaccine. So I think it's just will have to be managed and monitored.
Now, one thing to note in all this is that while these are temporary side effects, those in these trials will be followed now for at least 2 years to look into any potential long-term effects. Keep in mind, these are reported right now in adults. We still need to learn more from ongoing trials in children, and eventually we hope in those who are pregnant. I'm medical reporter Liz Bonus. Now back to you.